So right now, today, Tyler, again in this amazing video, I'm going to make about how the Asia's politics is the worst ever politics. You know about the Asia's politics is the most worst ever politics. They're here in this place. The thing is beyond, like, they deal politics in a certain way. They take politics as a way of what? They think it is the thing like we can do what? They do not have any purpose of doing politics. Their only purpose is lying in the opposite side of the humanity. The first thing is that their politics is the most darkest politics ever. The dirty politics that we say. The Asiatic politics is the most dirty politics ever. In any Asiatic country, I'm talking about the most populous countries of the Asias, they have the most dirtiest politics ever. Most dirtiest politics ever. Why it is the dirtiest politics? I'm going to talk about the psyche of the politics here. What is the psyche behind the politics? Why this type of politics happens here? They do not have the basic sense of politics. What is called politics? What is called the political thing? Okay, what is called a politic? What is polity? To understand, polity means the state of being in a hue, the state of being in a hue, to whole mass in a certain way. In a certain way, the whole mass gets into the certain way. It's not about a rule. It's not about rule or guidance or authority or something. These are the bookish things that doesn't have any dealing with politics. Polity. I'm talking about polity. It doesn't have any dealing with polity. Ruling the people, controlling the people, controlling. No, that is not called politics. What is controlling people? Are we controlling the people? Controlling means a different thing. That comes under a beyond thing. That is beyond politics. What is politics? Politics means what? Basically, the book is language I am describing here. What is the meaning of politics here? When I'm going to communicate about politics, what does it really mean? So, politics means what? Here, basically, I'm going to describe from what happened. Someone stand in the elections, they win it, and they start doing for the people. That is what they're doing. Means for the mass, but that is false. They're not doing anything. They're entering politics for their own reasons. They enter into politics for their own reasons. What I'm talking about, they enter into politics for their own reasons, particularly. They do not dwell here for supporting or contributing to the humanity or mass. Very rare politicians comes for doing that. Other politicians comes for their opposite, and for other reasons they enter into politics of the Asiatic countries. This is why making the Asiatic countries politics the worst type of politics. They come for their own psychic reasons into politics. That is not for growing. That is not for growing the Homo sapiens or bringing changes in the world or doing something for that. No, that is talking like we're talking very philosophical. Politics is a very philosophical thing. I talk like this because the politicians, what they do, they say we are going to do this for the country, we are going to do this for that, this for that. They are not doing anything. They're not doing anything. They do very slow, and they do very things which can be done by a single person eventually. They think this is power, this is something, this is psychology. The politicians are the Homo sapiens in the Asiatic countries are all totally under the scape of psychological paradigm of the politicians, psychological trap of the politicians. They think the politicians will do and they will enjoy and they will start living and they will expand. But that is not true. The thing is that I'm saying, the thing is I'm saying they are thinking like if the politician will do something and they will run their life like that. But no, this is here, Thailier here, person, Homo sapien, I, I'm saying myself, has to come into a situation, a circumstance to control the whole world. I'm controlling the whole world right now. How? There is no politics, no need of politics, no need of anything, just control of the whole world. I'm running the whole world, whole companies, everything, each and everything. Each and everything I'm running. I'm paying to everybody. I'm paying to everybody. I have the other systems eventually. Beyond payment, beyond money, I have things in my system. I have developed, I have made the whole system totally different, totally new system. Okay, that is beyond any political situation or anything. I do not talk about that. I talk about the worst thing is that is the most philosophical thing ever exist. Doing this, talking very things is like that. We are going to do this for the this for that, this for that, but that is not real. The point is that is not real at all. They just communicate. They just have no vertebra, no like no thing. They do not have anything. They do not have anything. First of all, they come just in a war, enter into the field, enter into that for their own reasons, particularly, and the things is they are doing which are totally mere of the nothing. The psyche of the homo sapiens who were thinking, oh, this is something, oh, this is something, there is the politician that is doing something. This is the worst ever psychology. They're in the trap. There is something term can be also told. There are terms also in the psychology of this trap of the politicians. Okay, in many way I'm saying, not in the many way, in certain way, in the way I'm saying, I'm ruling the whole world. I'm making the whole world. I'm ruling the whole world. I'm not about ruling. I'm the controlling the whole world. I am using the word controlling. By mistakenly, ruling word comes. I apologize for that. I'm saying I control the whole world. The word is I control the whole world. Okay? I control the whole world. Whole world I'm controlling. Whole world. Each and everything. From pin to rocket. This is the pin. Pin to rocket. I'm controlling here. The whole world. And for all the welfare, there is a very mere word I'm saying about it. There is nothing called world or welfare or anything. Wholesome thing. Wholesome. Each and everything. Each and everything. From each and everything I'm saying it. No politics can do it. No politics, no politician, no human. No, only Thailand. I'm saying about me. Only Thailand is totally controlling the whole world. Remember it. This is Thailand's commitments. This is Thailand's words. Thailand controlling the whole world. Okay, this is Thailand amazing. Eternal, lavish, transcend, dynamic.